And then we have the brain under normal conditions. So the brain under normal conditions operates in this order of functionality. You have the prefrontal cortex, which is reasoning, self-control, and that's the front part of our brain known as the frontal lobe. And in humans, it's probably more complicated and developed than most animals. That's what gives us our drive and our inspiration and our ability to assess. Unlike any other animal, it gives us our consciousness and our awareness. And then you have the amygdala. So that detects threats, emotional responses. When you have the prefrontal cortex, the first order of operation, then you have the amygdala and other components of your brain that detect threats. That's a second order of operation that regulates those emotions. That's a normal way of working. And then you have the hippocampus, which usually works in conjunction with the amygdala. That controls your memory and your learning. So you detect a threat, you remember that threat, it gets stored within your brain, and then your brain just works in a normal capacity under this very balanced homeostasis type of way. Homeostasis essentially just means to be balanced and normal and regulated.